Hello, welcome back. So if you've been following through this course all about how to set up your Score app, obviously if you haven't, go back and see it. This is now where we're going to show you how all this works. So we have built the results page, we've built the questions, we've done the landing page, we've done the scoring, we've done the categories, we've done all the settings, we've done all of that. We haven't done a PDF report because I'm not going to show you that in this course because that is actually using a higher pricing level of Score app, which you more than likely will not use straight away. So now what we're going to do is what you can see is this is in draft mode here. So if you just click on that, it says you're ready to go live and you want to go publish, and we're going to press publish. And now, as you can see, we have a little link here. I'm going to copy that link, and literally this is live right now. So if any of you want to go to this quiz and do it, it's email-marketing-wizardry.scoreapp.com. So if you go and click on that, it will take you to the page that we built together along this YouTube video. So it's here asking me the questions, and I can press take, and I'm going to press my details in here. So I will just put my email in, and if I press start, as you can see, it's telling me I need to tick the box. I'm going to tick the box to opt into the marketing, and then I'm going to press start. And what's going to happen is it's going to take me through the questions that we set up earlier. So do we have a dedicated email marketing system? Yes. So all I'm going to literally do is I'm not even reading these questions for the purpose of this video. I am literally just pressing away and seeing what's going to we're just going to be like, no, just make this up as I go along. We'll do sometimes. Yeah, no. There we go. And now it's giving me results page. So as you can see, it's giving me this saying here because I scored overall as a sorcerer. So it's telling me thank you for taking email marketing wizardry. You're well on your way to email mastery. Your systems are solid. You've got some great lead gen in place. Your emails are doing a good job. So it's telling me here straight away. If there's one thing I've noticed I would like to change, I would like this to say, not thank you for taking email marketing wizardry. I would like it to say, you are a sorcerer, or you are a wizard supreme. So I'm going to change that. Then, as I scroll down, you can see I've got different scores per thing. So I'm an apprentice in potion maintenance and summoning your audience, in my sorcerer, in the other categories, and obviously in foundations of magic, I'm a wizard supreme, and I'm getting a different basically message per one. And then at the bottom, I can press join now here, and it will take me to the text port hub, which is the call to action of this. But also at the same time, what has happened is, of course, my details have been added into ScoreApp. So if I go back to ScoreApp now and I press Insights, you can see one person has started this, one person has finished this. Obviously, that is myself. You can see how long it takes to complete. Obviously, that I just pressed randomly. You can see obviously a score tier, the dailies, a conversion rate. You can see various things here that will help you out. And then this bit here is all for the advanced plans. So if you're on a higher plan, you can get better lead, stats. If you click on the leads as well, you'll be able to see the information of that person and their score. And if you click on it, you will get into their more personalized results, so you can actually see their results. You can see the answers that they gave as well, which is always an absolutely fantastic insight, so you can actually see that. You can see their activity, so you can see they've visited the results page, when they completed it, etc. And you can see the source as well, so it basically came from that landing page. And just to show you as well, it sent me an email straight away from ScoreApp itself telling me that I've completed the quiz and giving me this link so I can click on that and go back to the results page, which is absolutely perfect and what we want to do. So the next step that we want to do is actually connect this to our email marketing system, which we are going to do in the next video. And just to show you this bit here, this little AI bit, if you click on this, you can ask it with this lead, for example, can you help me with some sales email copy? And it will give you an example of some copy that you could write if you was emailing this person personally or maybe messaging them on LinkedIn. So it's saying here, thank you for taking my marketing wizardry. Your score shows a strong foundation, 61%, impressive. However, we noticed a few areas for growth, such as potion maintenance. So it's actually written me an email that I could actually just send out to this person, for instance. Or I could obviously get a call script as well if I wanted to do that. And then obviously if I press view result, it will take me to their results page so that I can see what they're seeing basically. So that is absolutely fantastic to do. So that is basically the quiz. And if you press share as well, it gives you some various options of how you can share this. You can obviously read this as well, different ways to share it. And it gives you places like this so you can have a little example post that you might want to post out. It also gives you some code for if you want to embed it as a pop-up on your website, if you want to have it as a chat style, all that kind of stuff. Or you might just want to have it as a button so you can just put the link in there. So in the next video, we'll show you how to integrate this with your email marketing system, and then you are good to go.